Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Print Lab Chronicles. So far, we have helped you choose your printer, understand filaments, and gather those must have accessories. Today, we are diving into something equally, if not more, critical: slicer software. Think of it as the brain behind your 3D printer. Without a slicer, your amazing 3D models are just digital files. This is where those files are transformed into detailed instructions your printer can understand, layer by painstaking layer. It's the unsung hero that determines how your physical print will actually turn out. So, what exactly is a slicer? At its core, slicer software takes your 3D model, typically an STL file, and slices it into hundreds, sometimes thousands, of thin horizontal layers. Imagine a loaf of bread being sliced. That's essentially what a slicer does to your digital model. For each of these layers, the software generates a precise path for your printer's nozzle to follow. This path, along with instructions for temperature, speed, and other crucial details, is then compiled into a language called G code. Your 3D printer reads this G code file line by line to accurately build your object from the ground up. It's the critical bridge between your creative design and the tangible object you hold in your hand. Many beginners just hit slice with the default settings, and while that works for simple prints, to truly unlock your printer's potential, you need to understand the settings. Every single parameter in your slicer directly impacts your print's quality, strength, speed, and even how much filament you use. We are talking about things like layer height, infill density, print speed, support structures, and adhesion settings. Get these wrong, and you will face warped prints, weak parts, or even total print failures. But get them right, and you'll achieve stunning functional results. It's like fine tuning an instrument. Small adjustments make a huge difference. Let's break down some of the most essential settings you'll encounter. Layer height. This determines the thickness of each printed layer. Thinner layers, for example 0.12 mm, mean more detail and smoother surfaces, but longer print times. Thicker layers, for example 0.28 mm, print faster but show more visible layer lines. For beginners, a good starting point is 0.2 mm. Infill density and pattern. Infill refers to the internal structure of your print. A higher infill percentage, for example 20 to 30%, makes your part stronger and heavier, while a lower percentage, for example 5 to 10%, saves filament and print time, suitable for purely cosmetic prints. Different patterns, grid, honeycomb, gyroid, offer various strength to material ratios. Print speed. This directly affects how fast your nozzle moves. Faster speeds mean quicker prints, but can lead to quality issues like ringing or ghosting, especially on less rigid printers. Slower speeds generally result in better quality. Support structures. For models with overhangs or bridges that your printer can't print in mid-air, you'll need supports. Slicers can automatically generate these, and you can choose their density and pattern, which impacts how easily they remove and how clean the supported surface is. Build plate adhesion. This is crucial for preventing your print from detaching from the build plate mid print. Options include skirt, a line around the print, brim, a single layer perimeter attached to the base of your print for increased surface area, and raft, a sacrificial layer printed underneath your model. There are several excellent slicer programs available, many of them free and open source. Some of the most popular for beginners include Cura. Developed by Ultimaker, Cura is widely used and offers a user friendly interface with extensive settings. It's a fantastic starting point for anyone new to 3D printing. PrusaSlicer, developed by Prusa Research. This slicer is known for its advanced features and excellent print quality, especially for Prusa printers. But it works well with many others too. Bambu Studio. If you own a Bambu Lab printer, Bambu Studio is their dedicated slicer, offering seamless integration and optimized profiles for their machines. It's designed to make the printing experience incredibly smooth for Bamboo users. Orca Slicer, very popular within the community, especially among those seeking more advanced control and features. While Bamboo Lab users often prefer Bamboo Studio for its simplicity, Orca Slicer offers a powerful alternative built upon the same core, often preferred for its customization options and performance tuning. Anycubic Slicer. If you have an Anycubic printer, their dedicated slicer is a great option to start with, offering specific profiles tailored for their range of machines. Elegoo SatelLite 3D Slicer. For Elegoo printer owners, particularly with their more recent FDM models, Satellite 3D Slicer is designed to provide an intuitive slicing experience. The best way to learn is by doing. Download one of these free slicers, load up a simple test print, and start experimenting with the settings. Most slicers have a preview mode that shows you exactly how your printer will lay down each layer. This visual feedback is incredibly helpful for understanding the impact of your settings before you even hit print. Many common 3D printing frustrations can be traced back to slicer settings. Are your prints stringing? Adjust retraction settings. Are your first layers not sticking? Optimize your bed adhesion settings and initial layer speed. Is your print looking rough on sides? Tweak your print speed and cooling. We'll dive deeper into troubleshooting in future videos, but understanding your slicer is the first step in diagnosing and fixing these issues yourself. Slicer software might seem complex at first, but it's where you gain immense control over your 3D prints. It transforms you from a passive printer user to an active participant in the creation process. Master your slicer, and you will be well on your way to consistent, high quality 3D prints. I hope this guide has demystified slicer software for you. What are your favorite slicer tips? Or what issues have you overcome thanks to a specific setting? Let me know in the comments below. In our next video, we will be tackling common first layer issues, a huge hurdle for many beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the Print Lab Chronicles for more 3D printing insights and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and happy slicing. I'm also adding and specifying a couple of affiliate links in the description. It doesn't charge you anything, but helps grow this channel by providing a little bit of commission on sales at no cost to you.
New videos every week, learning, unboxing, testing, failing, fixing, and everything in between.